Hi everyone, here is another recipe from King's Kitchen. Today we are making a very popular Thai noodle, Pad Kee Mao. It's also known as Thai Drunken Noodles. I am using dry rice noodles in this recipe. First, you need to soak the rice noodles in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes. Then drain the water out and set it aside. Now let's make Pad Kee Mao sauce. You'll need 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, and a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well until the sugar dissolves. Season the chicken with a tablespoon of sauce mix. Mix it well and set it aside. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil in preheated wok, then add finely chopped shallots and stir it until translucent. Then add the chopped garlic. Stir it for a few seconds. Now add chopped chilies and stir fry until fragrance comes out. It's time to add the chicken. Cook 2 to 3 minutes until no longer pink. Add the stem part of Chinese broccoli because it takes longer to cook. Stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes and follow with the leaves. I use Chinese broccoli, but you can also swap with bok choy, or Tenderstem broccoli. Next, add the rice noodles. Pour the sauce in. Stir fry with high heat until the noodles are cooked through. Add chili slices. Stir everything to combine. Turn off the heat. Finally add a handful of basil leaves and mix well. Delicious Pad Kee Mao is ready to serve. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.